Uncover hidden real estate goldmines by mastering the art of property comps using Trulia, the Jerry Norton way. Hey everyone, let's dive right into how to find accurate comps on Trulia, following Jerry Norton's proven strategies to make sure you're paying the right price or listing competitively, starting with setting your search parameters. First, go to Trulia and enter the address of the property you're trying to comp. Next, refine your search by setting precise filters. Focus on properties within a half-mile radius, with similar square footage, ideally within 200 square feet and the same number of bedrooms and bathrooms. Now, click on the Sold tab to view recently sold properties. Sort the results by date sold to prioritize the most recent sales, generally within the last 3 to 6 months. This gives you the most relevant data. Next, analyze each comparable property listing carefully. Pay close attention to lot size, any unique features like a pool or garage, and the overall condition apparent from the photos. Remember, Jerry emphasizes accounting for differences. Adjust your valuation accordingly for any significant advantages or disadvantages. Now, input your findings into a spreadsheet. Calculate the price per square foot for each comp, then make adjustments to the sale price of each comparable property to account for differences in lot size, amenities, and condition, as Jerry teaches in his courses. For example, add value for a pool or deduct for needed repairs. Finally, average the adjusted sale prices of your top 3 to 5 comps to arrive at an estimated market value for your target property. This, following Jerry Norton's principles, will help you make informed investment decisions. Don't forget to check out Jerry's channel for more in-depth strategies.